Well, here I am again. I know I already made a video on my other camera, but I want one for my phone. This is 728 Ocean Drive, the movie where they shot the 1983 classic Scarface with Al Pacino, Stephen Bauer and Michelle Pfeiffer. And this is where they filmed the chainsaw scene. There's the room itself where it was filmed, where Tony and Angel went up. They got ambushed, Tony, friend Angel got chainsawed, and we'll go up here. And unfortunately, like, I know there's other videos on YouTube where you could go up to it, but you can't go up to it now. There used to be stairs here that could lead you up to the room, but you can't do that now. So this is what it is. This is yeah, it was over here. It was up 2 floors up where Scarface was filmed. And I'll even show you the sign that I found. Before I show you that sign, if you remember in the movie where Tony escapes with the rest of his gang, he shoots Hector. Is it Hector? Yeah, Hector on the road over there, and then make a getaway up that way. Here we go. This is the actual staircase that was used in the filming of the 1983 classic movie Scarface, starring Al Pacino, Stephen Bauer, Mary Elizabeth, I can't say that, Michelle Pfeiffer. The scene depicts the chainsaw scene, this world famous Hollywood landmark. Right, that's it.